In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Podia subscription. Whether you've decided to explore other platforms or simply need to pause your services, knowing how to efficiently cancel your subscription is essential. Let's walk you through the process step by step to ensure it's as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to start by logging into your Podia account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Podia dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your courses, memberships, and other services you might be using with Podia. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't visited it often, as this will make navigation easier. Now, direct your attention to the top left corner of your dashboard. Here, you'll see an option labeled Upgrade Now. This might seem a bit counterintuitive since we're looking to cancel, but trust the process. Clicking on Upgrade Now will lead you to the billing section of your account where we can make the necessary changes. In the billing section, you'll find various details regarding your current plan, payment history, and any other financial information related to your Podia account. Look for the option that reads, "Can I cancel at any time?" This is typically a question or a hyperlink that provides more information about cancellation. Clicking on this option will guide you to the relevant information and prompts needed to proceed with the cancellation. While the process is generally straightforward, Podia might offer some additional instructions or request confirmation from you to ensure that this is really the step you want to take. Be sure to follow these prompts carefully. Before you finalize the cancellation, it's wise to review any terms or conditions Podia might present. Sometimes, services have specific policies regarding refunds or access to content after cancellation. Understanding these details will help you avoid any surprises later on. Once you've confirmed the cancellation, you should receive a confirmation email from Podia. This email serves as your receipt and verification that your subscription is indeed canceled. Keep this email for your records in case you need to reference it in the future. And that's it. Canceling your Podia subscription is a straightforward process when you know where to look and what to click. Remember, if you ever want to return to Podia, you can always reactivate your account or choose a new plan that suits your needs. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more guides. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Podia's support team for assistance.